I'm going to show you how to take in this women's pair of pants at the back seam, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alter your own clothes and save a bundle. Here's the fast version how, so you can get a quick overview. Detailed version link in the description below. Where we start is at the belt loop. Gotta get that off. Once that's done, draw a straight line up from that back seam. We're going to need to cut there on the facing and the waistband. First, get that waistband off a little ways. Now, cut that waistband and facing. We're going to have to make a seam where there never was one before. First, run the seam on the actual pants. We take out the old stitching. Now, to get the facing and the waistband back together and on the pants. So, run the two seams that get that waistband and facing together. Then horizontally sew them together. At last, sew the waistband onto the actual pants, leaving the facing free. Fold the facing over, and now we'll stitch in the ditch, and everything will be secure, won't it? Get that belt loop back on, and you are finished. For some of you, this quick version will be enough demonstration to run with. Otherwise, check out the link in the description below for the detailed version.